Imagine a leak repair process so seamless it takes you less than 2 minutes to do. One that involves logging into the system from your phone or computer and reporting a leak. That's it. Not hours spent on the phone trying to track down a contractor, and no need to climb on the roof to show them the location of the problem. Click, report, and done. An authorized contractor will arrive in 24 to 48 hours to assess the situation and fix the problem. That's the magic of Dry Zone, a leak response and roof management program designed to make your life easier and keep your buildings drier. There's no annual cost to use Dry Zone, and you only pay for the work that is completed. Even better, the contractor doesn't just fix the leak. They create a scope of work and photograph the repair process so you can see the extent of the problem and the work required to fix it. All of that information is then cataloged into the Dry Zone system and can be referenced at any time. The system keeps track of repairs, yearly cost, existing warranties, and more, so you can better plan for future expenditures. It can help you determine if it's time to consider a full restoration or replacement versus continuing to spend money on repairs. After the initial setup has been completed, managing your facilities and keeping them dry becomes a whole lot easier. Here's a more detailed look at setting up and using Dry Zone. First, your local Garland rep will arrange to have all of your buildings inspected. All of that information is then input into the Dry Zone database. Next, we solicit time and material bids from 3 local contractors for your review. After you've selected the most qualified and preferred contractor, your Dry Zone team is now ready to respond to all of your future repair needs. For more information, head over to garlandco.com or call 1-800-321-9336.